Hello guys, this is another episode of Trade by Speed where we trade the market. This is earning weeks, guys. I know the market is we still we already going bearish, guys. We already in this bear market, almost 17% down, guys. On the market, but this is April 7, 2005. Most anticipated earning. Let's get into what we do have this week. Monday, we do have Lewis Company reporting after close, Dave Busters and Green Pry reporting tomorrow after close, guys, on the 7th, Monday, guys. So those are the company that would be. Now we have to talk about what's happening right now, overhaul the whole market, and I want to show this picture right down here and share this overall picture that we do know. What do we have right down here? The overall market is clearly on the red, and that's what we do have right now, guys. And this show that the market is on the down. I know Trump has released tariff, and this is probably what is going on. But we are on a bear market right now. So we could say the tariff are affecting it. Is it going to continue? Yes, I believe we do have this continuation that is happening, and is going to affect it. And what is going to happen if we actually entering, or are we already entering in this recession? That's what people are talking about. Being in a recession, are we already in it? Because as we already, the 20% is when we already in, as the market already have 20%, then we're already in that bear market, right? So that's what we need to look at our number. When we already have 20% down, then we already have the numbers, the data are already showing that we're already in there. And that's definitively what we've seen here, despite the fact that Trump is dealing with his tariff and numbers of what is given in each of the countries, right? There could be adjustment in what he's seeing because we already seen that he's have done it with Canada. So let me get back to earning. There will be change with tariff that he has given with Canada, but we need to look at data, as we need to look at, are we already now 20% with market down? Are we already out with our bearish? Definitively, we can see here in Fins that the whole market is already bear in red totally. Few company now next week, definitively there will be company that will still be in the profitable during the week, but overall, what do we see? All right, guys, I'm gonna keep going with earning release. Tuesday, Tilray, Carmack, Emerald P, Mamas. Probably not some of those company that you guys are probably not the company that some of you are trading, but those are the company that will be releasing. TRY will be releasing on Tuesday after marker RPM, WD40, EM, and Mamas. Delta airline companies will be reporting on Wednesday after market, before open on Wednesday. And then we have a Neogen that will also be reporting on Wednesday before open. I have Price Mark Smart that will be reporting after close. Richardson Electronic will also be reporting after close. BBB and Lakeland will also be reporting after close. All right, guys. Tuesday, CarMax will be reporting before open. Banks will be reporting in NTI. Now, we do have Wells Fargo on Friday. Will be reporting on Friday before open. Blackrock, BUNY, First Now, Morgan Stanley, and GP Morgan will be reporting. So I do believe that the week we do not have all that, but when we look at the next week, we have Netflix coming up on the week of the 22. I know I'm prolonging, but we do have some end of the week of April coming up. We don't want to push toward, but this week, this coming week on the 7th, this is what we do have a late week of this April, we do have some good company also coming. So this week, what the stock that I will be watching will be Delta, BlackRock, West Fargo. Definitively, I'll check Personal. I think that's are the week, but any other stock, I would like I always say, I check any other stock. But with the market being on this red, I will be careful to see, I won't be thinking about buying, you know, buying right now. What I will be doing is check the levels, like, what are the levels that, what are the down level, what are the low level that what are the low levels that they are targeting. That's me right now this week. My goals are what are the low level that they're targeting for each of those company. What are the low level that they're targeting, and actually where's the market is targeting overall. That's what it is. And sometimes is what is patience, right? What patience, what I can be looking at them. I don't have to buy them. I don't have to do anything for them, but I'll be watching them. That's the thing. I don't have to buy any of those right now. I can be looking at some of the low level, but some company that I know will be, you know, definitively going up after these. Those are the ones that I will be targeting to buy more. But some company that I'm skeptical about, I'll be watching for the low level, the target low level. So that will be my game plan on how to go about this company right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at SPY overall. Where are we heading? Where are we going, guys? So I'm going to look at SPY. So the S&P went all the way to 504, 505. Also, we left. I would say I was expecting us to stay up to the 520, and when I just woke up, we're already at 505. So that was a pretty interesting. So this is what happened. I was looking at 5 of 60, and I woke up, we were at 545. Like, I very interesting. I was looking at that level around next this week actually, and woke up, we were 545, and now we're 505. So I will probably gonna, I mean, at this we could probably see that, I will see 500, 590, as we go along. We keep going this way, where we 580. If we keep going back up, reverse on the 509, 510, and then go back to that 580. If we keep going at this, I can see a 564. on my level right now. This is my this is where I see us going on this level or right down there. So if we keep going on the bearish, this is the level that I see on this SPY right now. So this summers what I have for us on this. I'll be giving more of the my update on the trade on the weekly basis on level earning, what I see during the market. This is trade based speed. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay tuned during this week as I give my update. I'll be giving a little bit of update this week on what I see, even during just on some of the stock, just on the stock and random stock that I see. I'll be giving some update this week on random stock, and also just giving just update on what I see for this beer, just the beer market that we have right now. As I see some of the level, I'm probably just gonna give some of the link on my Discord coming up. Yes, I'll be updating you on a Discord that I'm going to for levels that I have worked on right now. Guys, just stay tuned for Trade by Speed. Until next time, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, support my channel.